好震撼，但亦都好驚，因為每一步路都比我想象中大同埋驚險。
This is my dream. This is the reason my heart beats. I'd rather fight each day of my life than give up and leave. 'Cause this is
我哋想做好新聞，我哋問嘅問題係為咗香港人而問嘅。
我哋將自己內在想開個台，睇多啲唔同嘅節目，點解咁都唔得咧？我覺得我為咗一份我自己好中意嘅工出嚟講嘢有咩錯？幾廿年都係喺電視同我哋一齊長大嘅，電視對我哋係一個非常重要嘅一個媒介嚟嘅。但係起碼我拍完之後，我自己覺得我真係一個演員咯。我好耐都冇想返工㗎啦，但係拍呢個劇，我日日都好想返工。咦，都好多選擇啊！4個台，又有無線，又有 TVB， 又有 TVB， 又有 TVB 4個選擇。你配唔配啊？我煮個麵俾你食啊！
冇一隻手靠攀石，一隻手靠講電話呢啲咁嘅情節。
希望你哋將呢一點種呢一粒嘅種子繼續發揚。真係好希望警察線第2集喺電視度見到。
We are doing if we are to succeed. So the first requirement is that the people of Hong Kong should know what they really want and believe in it. If they believe in it, they'll get it. It's very simple. But of course, that means a lot of hard work.